It's that time of the year again when the weather turns into our skin's worst enemy. The constant hide and seek of the sun makes the air humid, leaving our skin dehydrated. But luckily, there are plenty of ways to keep your skin hydrated. Hi guys, मैं हूँ शनाया और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 5 ways to hydrate your skin. वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमारे चैनल बी ब्यूटीफुल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें and ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first and most effective way to hydrate the skin is by investing in facial mist. It's my go-to skin quencher when my skin feels dry and dehydrated. The calming, hydrating, replenishing ingredients used in facial mist will take your skin from looking tired and lackluster to bright and dewy in seconds. Now, if you're looking to invest in a hydrating mist, then this should be your pick. Dermalogica Antioxidant Mini Hydra Mist. चेहरे को क्लीन करने के बाद इस मिस्ट को डायरेक्टली स्प्रे करें all over the face and neck area. It has hyaluronic acid that draws water molecules from the environment and binds it to the skin, which helps hydrate the outer layer of the skin. और साथ ही इसमें है white tea that has a soothing effect. मैं अक्सर इस मिस्ट को मेकअप के ऊपर स्प्रे करती हूँ and then I go over it with a beauty sponge which helps freshen the base makeup. दूसरा tip is to swap your regular moisturizer for a water-based one. I have been using this water-based moisturizer, Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Creme. Using a water-based moisturizer minimizes chances of a breakout, especially on oily skin. क्योंकि unlike oil, water does not bind itself to the skin and is less likely to get trapped inside pores. Take a coin-size amount and massage it into the skin. This water-based gel creme has hyaluronic acid which binds water to the skin, while pentawietin provides long-lasting hydration, making the skin feel soft and supple. The third tip is to bathe with lukewarm water and not hot water. क्योंकि गर्म पानी आपके स्किन की नेचुरल ऑयल को स्ट्रिप करता है, leaving it dehydrated. साथ ही शावर लेते वक्त ऐसा बॉडी वॉश चुनें जो क्लीन करने के साथ साथ आपके स्किन के अंदर की नमी को बनाए रखे. This is the Love Beauty and Planet Natural Coconut Water and Mimosa Refresh Body Wash. ये एक ऐसा plant based vegan body cleanser है that is infused with ethically sourced natural coconut water and organic coconut oil, which have a vast source of electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium that help in keeping the skin hydrated. Plus, the mimosa fragrance is such a mood lifter. The fourth tip is to use a collagen infused lotion. बढ़ती उम्र के साथ हमारे स्किन के अंदर का collagen break down होने लगता है. अब क्योंकि collagen allows the body and the skin to retain its shape and resist tearing and deforming, your best defense is to apply collagen topically. Like this St. Ives Skin Renewing Collagen Elastin Body Lotion. Just apply it all over the body and massage it till it's completely absorbed. इसमें है soybean which is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants that help maintain healthy skin and also provides hydration. इसके अलावा it also supports collagen and elastin protein present in the skin. और सबसे आखिरी टिप है to use a hydrating sheet mask. Here is a hydrating sheet mask that I absolutely love. This is the Pond's Hydrating Sheet Mask with vitamin B3 and 100% natural coconut water. Place it on clean skin. Let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes. Sheet masks give your skin a boost of hydration and are perfect way to unwind after a long, hectic day. Reason being, they are formulated with ingredients that contain active compounds that draw moisture into the skin. This serum-based sheet mask has 100% natural coconut water that will nourish the skin and vitamin B3 which will replenish skin's moisture barrier. So guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to try these tips to keep the skin hydrated and supple. जाने से पहले वीडियो को like and share करें and subscribe to our channel Be Beautiful and ring the bell icon for further notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!